Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issues 89 and 90 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, you'd like to grab these for yourself and build along with me one of these massive 1/8 scale cars, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bop. You too can be building one of these iconic cars. So let's have a quick scoop through the magazine, folks. You got the TV show Black Widow Strikes Again. Great Batman comics by Def's Eerie Light. Batman Year by Year from the year 2011. Continuation there of Batman Year by Year. Parts locator. Now today we would have got just one part, which would have been the body frame rear, but we're doing 2 issues today. So that's what you get. You get the big old body frame there. I've got it just here so I can show you the size of that. Oh, with it, eh? So we got that. And that would have been a let's have a look at the part we've received issue. So we'll drop the beams out. They're shipping beams, so you don't need them. And that's what you'll end up with on the bench. But we're going to be doing another issue today, joining a couple of bits of it together because I was lucky I got a double delivery. So you got the Murders of Clayface there as the Batman comic. 2011, Year by Year continued. I like that picture as well. Looking rather sinister, little robot-y man there. We've then got a body frame middle section where the doors are going to go, and that's the cutouts for the front windscreen. Again, we'll drop the shipping beams out, and then we'll be joining the 2 parts together using 4 EM screws, like so. And then that's what we're going to have on our bench at the end, folks. Okay, the pretty much 2/3 of the body shell. So yeah, it's going to give you an idea of the size of this, folks. And yeah, having seen the size of the parts, yeah, they're pretty tasty. All right, let's bring the first part of the Batmobile in. So there's the rear section of the body frame. You've got your afterburner section there. All the red highlighted paintwork, and it comes with these 2 beams attached for shipping, and it just basically keeps the bodywork nice and rigid whilst it's in transit. So we'll grab those and get shot of them off of there. Don't need them now. So it's just a matter of undoing the screws that come with it, release the beams, and you can discard them. Same here. Like that. And again, you get a couple of spare screws, that's how I see it, so we can add them to our screw collection from the Partworks, and I keep all my screws in a big bag. And then once I've done filming, they all get sorted out into the relevant parts bin. So that's that sorted. We can then bring in the door section. So let's just move the body shell back to my left. We've got the mid section, and again we got the same there. We've got some transit beams. So we'll just drop them off. Same process. Couple of screws, folks. It's always the exciting stage of part work when you start getting the body shell parts, because suddenly it goes from being, you know, a load of different bits and pieces you got cobbled together to suddenly you got the body shells coming through, and it's like, yeah, just brings the part work alive. Well, for me it does anyway. grab you, turn that round, and grab the other side as well. Knock off this third strip here, and that'll then reveal the other hole under there that is going to join the body shell together. Like that. And now we can grab our EM screw. I'm bringing the other half of the shell. So let's grab you and line you up like so, like that. I'm only doing them lightly at the moment, just whilst I join these together, and then I can go around and fully tighten them once the shell starts pulling together. Grab another screw. And then we can put you right in there. That's that done. And come around the other side now and pop you in. Just in there. Now fully tighten you. So that's them in place. And then we want to turn Batmobile over and we want to locate that screw there and that screw over there. Again, EM screws, folks. So let's bring them in situ. Like that. Then turn you around. And bring in the last screw there. Bit of oil. And fire you down just in there. Like so. And that gives you that. And doesn't she look beautiful? Okay, absolutely gorgeous, folks. That's what I reckon. She looks beautiful. Now, at this stage, I would say don't worry about this step because there's a strip of bodywork that goes all the way along here that closes and brings this down flush with this sill, okay? So don't think you've assembled it wrong. It's totally correct. So, folks, that's the end of this issues. If you'd like to grab this for yourself, oh, look at it, then head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have this on your bench. Also, to help me out, keep the channel alive and growing, you can give a little Fester a click just in the corner there and subscribe. It's free and it really helps me out, keeps the channel going. Whilst you're there, ring the bell, select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. See you on the next one, folks. Bye-bye for now.